This is world's ever first CNG motorcycle introduced by Bajaj, and it's called Bajaj Freedom 125. And this name actually hints at the displacement of this engine, which is 125cc, ideal for daily commuting, right? Well, interested to know more about this motorcycle? Anyway, you don't have any choice, because this is what I'm going to tell you in today's video. Because you are watching Times Drive English, and it's me, Pavni Jain, and it's my brief walk around with this motorcycle. Let's begin. To begin with, let me tell you that this motorcycle comes in 3 different variants in total. There is Freedom 125 NG04 drum, Freedom 125 NG04 drum with LED headlamp cluster, and then there is Freedom 125 NG04 disc with LED headlamp cluster, which is this one, the top end variant, which is priced at ₹1,10,000 ex-showroom. Now coming to the front facade, this one comes with round LED headlamp cluster because this is the top end variant. Then you'll see the strong suspension setup with Freedom branding on it. You'll get to see the solid mudguard and the front tire. Speaking for the measurements, this one measures 17 inches with 90 section. The rear tire, on the other hand, measures 16 inches with 120 section. Now, if you are in the rider's position, one thing that you'll see is the solid handle bar, which also comes with a lot of physical buttons. And the most important one is on the left side, because you'll get to see the toggle button to switch between petrol as well as CNG. There are a lot of other physical buttons as well. There is one for indicators, and there is one for the Bluetooth connectivity, because here the LCD screen that you see is actually a black and white LCD console which comes with Bluetooth connectivity. Well, as for the handling, this is something that I should comment on when I'm actually riding this motorcycle, but what I can talk about is definitely the side profile. If you look at the tank, it's really very chunky, and one major reason is of course the built-in CNG cylinder, which is why it looks a little bit chunky from here. There is this common fuel tank for both petrol as well as CNG. The petrol tank comes with a 2 liter of capacity, and the same goes for the CNG cylinder. It comes with 2 kg of capacity. On the side profile, the first thing that you'll notice is a protective cage for the CNG cylinder, and I'm going to show you where it is exactly located in a while. Let me talk about the other elements right here. With this bike, you get the linked monoshock suspension in the rear, you get footrest, you get sari guard, and you also get additional hooks to carry your luggage, because this being a commuter motorcycle. Now let's have a look at the rear end of this motorcycle. There is a solid grab handle, and there is a very sporty look on the rear end of this motorcycle, which personally I really like. You'll get to see the indicators as well, and there are reflectors installed on this motorcycle as well, which actually adds to the little bit of safety feature whenever you're riding this motorcycle. Other than that, you also get 11 safety features in total, as the company claims. So this is safety proof as per the company. As for the figures, so you get 9.3 bhp of power out of this motorcycle, and it also generates 9.7 Newton meters of torque. Now coming to the fuel efficiency, you can actually ride it up to 60 to 65 km per liter, and as for the CNG, you can actually ride it up to 102 to 105 km per kg. Comes at a starting price of ₹95,000. What do you think of this motorcycle? Let me know in the comment box. Since I promised it was my brief walk around, what do you think of the looks and design? Let me know that as well in the comment box. And like I promised, let me show you where this CNG cylinder is located. And there you have it. It's right here in the center. And for more such videos, all you need to do is stay tuned to Times Drive English.